Hello, welcome back again in our channel Spike Hunters, and Spike Hunterman is present here to introduce something special for you today. And as you know, we are working on hunting spikes, but sometimes we can enjoy something else. Broker Deriv.com offered so many platforms, including that Dbot, DTrader, DerivaGo, and X. Today, right now, I am going to tell you something about how to work on DTrader. Sorry, Dbot. So, instructions must be followed, and violation should not be done, and you must not be greedy. Then set a target of 1 to 10% a day, and you need at least 5 to 112 US dollars as per your requirement and afford. And remember, do not invest what you cannot afford to lose. So right now, following are the things, instructions and the settings how to work on Dbot. Just sign in, then press menu, and then go to Dbot. I am already on Dbot. First try it on demo accounts. Press arrow, come to the setting. Here select your pair, volatility 100s1, and rise fall tricks 4, stake 10, loss 115, size 11. Profit, you should set your profit at least 20, 5 to 20. This press run button. This is not for real, this is for the saving of setting. We are saving setting. First let the settings be saved, and then I shall provide you strategy and planning. So wait a little until we become success. Just stop it because it is not our job. We have to work something else, and press your button of reset, okay, and then come back to the menu, and then digits, and then differs. Now this is the real game, and now your money is on risk, and also your profit is 99% is guaranteed profit, and 1% is risk losing of your capital. Just press the run button, and then watch out a little more, few moments, until your target becomes achieved. On each successful trick, you will get 0.99 US dollars, and remember that your profit is set between 5 to 20%, and do not repeat this activity once, maximum twice a day, and control your emotions, be patient, just make 5 to 10% a day, be happy, stay relaxed. As you see, the things are in front of you. here we are now $6 plus, and as you'll see that we shall be succeed to make $20 in a session. Suppose you have set a profit of 5%, then you have to stop on 5, and suppose you have set your profit on $20 US, then you must stop on 20. The bot will automatically stop on 20. So don't repeat again and again many times, several times in a day. Just repeat once in 24 hours maximum. You are allowed to repeat this activity twice a day. In this way you can deposit from 5 to 111 US dollars requirement. If you have $5, then your initial stake shall be 0.35 and multiplied by 11. But suppose if you have 112 US dollars in your account, then the initial stake shall be $10 and multiplier will be same 11. And in this way you will not lose your money, but you can simply make money just in 5 to 15 minutes, and it's enough for you. I think from my personal point of view that no business there in the world is that provide us more than one. Here we can make 5 to 10%, even 20% on our capital. This is something strange, very interesting, and too much more and high enough, I think. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and first of all you must try this strategy on demo and then become on the real ground. So the things are simple. We have made already these things very simple for you, easy to understand and easy to execute. I hope all of you will enjoy this and shall subscribe our channel, as in our series there is too much more to come on DBot, DTrader and DMT5. We also manage account on DMT5. Suppose if you are a team member, take a look. We have received a profit of 20.57 US dollars. That means we have achieved our target today. So don't remember to subscribe us, and you can contact us by WhatsApp, Telegram, or commenting on video or sending your emails. Account management system is quite easy and simple. Suppose you have a capital of 100 US dollars and profit sharing shall be 25% and 75%. If you are in our team, means if you have joined the broker following our refer links. But suppose if you have already an account on Deriv.com, then the profit share shall be 60 and 40. 40% from the profit shall be our, and the 60% will go to you. So I hope all of you enjoyed this. Thank you so much. Very soon. Okay, Allah Hafiz.